Okay, so this is just a little video to explain about my tower. So anyone who's watched my previous videos knows that I have these other smaller systems. For example, these FOOP systems. If you can see, my plants have grown clear up to the top. Same thing here. You can see there's one here trying to escape from the enclosure. There were a couple others that had grown to the top. Growing to the top in these units means that it really can't grow anymore. This is just one filled with some clones, and yet you can see these are growing to the top. If they grow to the top and they stay there for long, the leaves will start to get burned, which is not good. Another example would be some of these guys. So you can see some of these are growing to the top. Again, not real great. So this shelf is all the plants I've taken out because they were at the top. Down here you see some younger ones, but they'll get to the top in about a week. So the challenge is, what do you do when they reach the top? So I do prune them, but even despite pruning, they will keep growing, and then they get rather gnarly. So if you look at this one here, it looks kind of messed up, and that's because it hit the top and started growing in strange ways. And again, they get burned leaves, they reach a point where they can't grow anymore. So I did research other larger hydroponic systems. I decided on the tower system because the tower system, it's a type of growing where you can fit a lot more plants per square meter. So, if you look at this and you call this 1 square meter, it's probably less than that, but how many plants do we fit? This level has 3, this level has 4, 5, 4, and 4. So 20 plants, I guess. And I can extend this more. You can see there's still plenty of room for at least 4 or 5 more levels. So looking at these online, there are mainly 2 manufacturers, but they are roughly $300 to $800 depending on the manufacturer and the number of pots supported. I did find some plans online for 3D printing them, and I decided to buy a 3D printer and print my own because that actually works out around the same price as just buying